Other heating systems. Solar heating. Instead of using fuel, solar heated buildings use special panels in the roof to collect heat from the sun. People started to use them to heat houses. Wood stoves. Stoves burn wood as a fuel to produce heat. This is how schools were heated in the past. Fireplaces. Fireplaces send heat into the room, but they do not heat the room evenly. That means it's not the same temperature everywhere in the room. They use wood or gas as fuel. Space heaters. Small movable heaters can be plugged into the wall to give extra heat for one room. So space heaters use electricity as an energy source. They cannot heat a whole building though.